Quick measures are great, except when they don't work. Stay tuned to learn how to fix them. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Patrick, Guy in the Cube. And in this video, it's all about quick measures and when they don't work, right? So, what? Digging my shirt? Yeah. New Guy in the Cube t-shirt. Just got them. We gave some away at Sequel Server Atlanta. You say you want one? Well, if you see me, just ask. I may have some in my backpack. I may give one to you. I don't know if it's gonna be the right size, but pretty cool, right? Guy in the Cube, massaging your data. Like Adam said this, we don't hurt your data, we make your data feel good. A Guy in the Cube, all right? Okay, anyway, let's get into these quick measures. So we got an email from someone saying, hey, trying to do the month over month quick measure and it's just not working, right? And so you know us at Guy in the Cube, we don't stray from a challenge, right? And so the quick measures are great, especially for people that don't know how to write DAX or don't want to know how to write DAX, right? So in this video, I'm going to kind of step you through quick measures, tell you how to fix this month-to-month scenario, and then all the time calculations. This is actually addressing all of them, all right? So let's get into this. Let's head over to my laptop. So what I've done is I've created a Power BI desktop. I've imported a couple of sets of data. So let me show you what the model looked like. It's actually two different fact tables connected up. And so because I really want to illustrate the challenges that you may face and how this may work. So you see, let me explain how this works. So I got one fact table that's connected to a date table and a product table. Then I have another fact table that's just connected to a product table. No date table, all right? And you'll see why I don't have a date table in just a few minutes, all right? So we head back over to the report. And what we're gonna do is, so I'm gonna use over here with the date table, I'm gonna go to my date table, I'm gonna add a year, make it a slicer. Pretty easy, right? Then I'm gonna repeat the steps, but I'm gonna go over to my fact table that's not connected to a date and choose order date. And what it does is it automatically creates this nice built-in hierarchy for me, right? That's a feature of Power BI Desktop, okay? But all I want is year. So I'm gonna go ahead and deselect all of these, all right? I should have left it how it was, but that's okay. Choose date hierarchy, picks up my year, and there's my list of years, okay? And you may go, why are they different? Well, one of them is just pulling a distinct list of dates from the fact table, while the other one is from a pre-populated table of dates, okay? So I kind of add more dates just in case they decide to add some in the future when they add more facts to that table, all right? Okay, so now I have this working, right? I got my year from each one, different locations, all right? So let's go ahead and choose like 2012 in bold. And then we're gonna build a simple bar chart. So I'm gonna go back to my date table and choose month, and then I'm gonna choose in the internet sales. This is the one that's connected. Remember, this side is connected to everything with the date table. Go ahead and choose my order date, my total sales, and then repeat those steps over on this side. But this time I'm going to my internet sales table where I don't have a date table. I'm just using the date that's in the table. Go ahead and choose order date, and I just need month, right? Make that a table. And then I'm gonna go ahead and choose internet sales from my no date internet sales table, all right? So now I wanna create a quick measure. And the one that they were talking about in the email was the month over month change, the percent change month over month. So it's pretty straightforward. So how to create a quick measure. So I'm gonna come here, identify my measure, and I'm gonna go in the field dwell over here to choose the little drop down next to my measure, select quick measures, choose the calculation I want. There's lots of calculations. If you haven't checked out these new ones down at the bottom, the concatenated list of values is great for a tooltip. I did a video on that one back in the day, right? All right, but we're gonna focus on the month over month change. Go ahead and select the month over month change. It detects my measure and it says, which date do you wanna use? Well, I have a date table, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that full date right there. Click OK, and creates the DAX for me, but my percentages aren't working. Why not? Well, we'll talk about that in just a second. Some of you guys may already know, but we'll get back to it. So head over here to my other fact table, my other table, the one that doesn't have a date. I'm gonna repeat the steps on the measure that's on that table. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose quick measures, right? Choose my month over month and select the date from my date table. Remember, this one automatically creates a hierarchy for me, okay? I have a date in the other one, but it doesn't create the hierarchy. But anyway, so go ahead and click OK. And make sure my table is selected. Go ahead and add it to my table. And guess what? It works. But if you look at the text in the DAX that it generates, so for you guys that don't want to know how to write DAX, quick measures are great, but you need to follow the rules of creating the quick measures, okay? And I think that's what happened to the guy who sent the email address in. You read this error, it says time intelligence quick measures can only be grouped or filtered by the Power BI provided date hierarchy. So that means that if I try to use my own date table, it's not gonna work. It's just not gonna happen. Stop staring at my shirt. I know it's nice. Stop staring at it. All right. So how do you fix it? So my friend Kasper, who's on the AS product team, who's on vacation right now, well, at least when I recorded this video, he wrote a great blog post on it. It's pretty easy how to make this work with your own date table. If you go ahead and click your measure, so let's go find my measure. You see the DAX. We're gonna get rid of all this fancy stuff at the top because we don't need that. And then at the bottom, we'll get rid of this guy right here. Press enter. And one more change. Got to get rid of that little guy right there because that's only needed for my built-in hierarchies. Press enter and bam, it works. Okay, so if you can clean it up a little bit, you can actually use your date table. Kasper walks through this step by step in his blog, which is awesome, which is great. He also does say at the end that the Power BI team is working on correcting quick measures, so they will use your own date calculations. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. What do you guys think? What do you think about this whole process? I like it a lot. To the person that sent the email in, hope this helps you. If you guys have any more questions and comments about quick measures, post them in the comments below. If you want to see more on quick measures, you know how to use some different ones, let me know. Post it in the comments below. If this is your first time visiting the channel, be sure to subscribe. And if you like my video, give me a big thumbs up. All right, from Adam and Patrick, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.